welcome to the Musical Heatwave. We're at the NEC in Birmingham at the Max Power Live Car Show, the fastest, loudest car show ever. We're here to give you the sights and the events and the sounds, of course. It is the Musical Heatwave.
It's fabulous!
Something is wrong somewhere.
No, the best bit, I'm having this rig and that truck as my personal toys all weekend. I've already blown up 2 big power supplies and barbecued the head unit in the truck. I'm having such a weekend, I can't tell you. It's bubbling.
Talking about big men with big toys, eh?
Oh God, yeah. And the price of them, that install over there is £75,000 worth.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
We're waiting for things to happen. Tell us a bit about what's happening inside.
As in the hi-fi, it's an Alpine head unit, DVD player. I have 5 TV monitors, 2 in the door, 2 in the sun visors, 1 in the dash. Yeah. It runs 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It runs about 17 speakers.
Okay, wow.
It pushes out about 132 decibels full whack.
Wow. So kind of a heavyweight sound we got here.
Sorry?
A heavyweight sound we got here.
Yeah.
Okay. So what kind of music are you into, Mark?
I'm down with the R&B and 50 Cent.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. So we're talking about some heavy bass line.
Yeah. I mean, it just rap music sounds good, and I'm down with that. So.
And you got the car to expose in.
Yeah. I'll pump the front up for you.
Yeah. Okay. We're gonna get an exhibition of the pumping up the front, so you can see exactly what it's all about. Okay, there we go. Hydraulics at its best. Oh yeah, we like that.